In the quiet of a new morning, a frightened girl rushes into the convent courtyard, and in that instant, the sisters know something is wrong. As the girl trembles for safety, Senior Maria stays close, Senior Anne secures the gate, and Senior Lucia watches the surroundings with calm alertness. With simple, steady actions, they create a circle of protection, a safe space where fear slowly loosens its hold. Later, as they walk through the village, their presence brings peace, each step a reminder of their mission to serve and safeguard. When a sudden conflict breaks out nearby, the sisters act with gentle wisdom, guiding children away and standing together with quiet strength. The tension fades and harmony returns, because courage shown with compassion always transforms. At dusk, when the lights go out, their mission continues. Lanterns in hand, they check on the elderly and vulnerable, moving softly through the darkness. And as the day ends, the sisters gather in prayer, rooted in gospel values.